Hey, how are you doing? We are very happy to afford pdfwhy. It's the most free online service. Again, welcome to www.pdfwhy.com.
pdfwhy has tons of tools. You can have a look on all tools you can do with PDF. All free online service, as you see. You can enjoy all that stuff for free. Of course, in the future, we'll start explaining about these tools step by step. You can just add PDF and you can convert it to anything you want. Again, it's all free service. We are happy to afford this service online for free. What we said again? It's all online service for free.
You can edit, organize, optimize, and manage PDFs online. Also, you can explore our comprehensive collection of PDF tools to make your document work easier and more efficient. These PDF tools, you can use it for, as example, if you are writing book about any subject, any topic in all languages of the world, any language and found problem, www.pdfwhy.com is the solution. Through pdfwhy, you can edit PDF online and, as we said, free service and fast. Also, you can merge PDF, also freely, also compress PDF, and a lot of things, a lot of options you will find on www.pdfwhy.com. Also, you can convert from PDF online, AVIF to PDF, CSV to PDF converter. Oh my God, if I can say about all options, I will need more than 3 hours. But as we said, in the future, we will start every option, how to convert from PDF to any option or vice versa, how we can convert from any option to PDF. Also, convert documents online. You can explore our comprehensive collection of PDF tools to make your document work easier and more efficient. CSV to multiple formats converter, Excel to multiple formats converter, JSON to multiple formats converter, TSV to multiple formats converter. As example, you can convert to CSV, HTML, LaTeX, Excel, text, and more again. Oh my God, it's hard to say all options, but guess what? All these tons of options, you do it through www.pdfwhy.com, and as what we said, all are online free. If we want to know more about pdfwhy.com, by accessing or using pdfwhy online PDF tools, you agree to be bound by these terms of service. Welcome to pdfwhy, a website created to make working with PDF documents simple, fast, and accessible for everyone. At pdfwhy, our goal is to provide easy-to-use online tools that help people manage their PDF files without needing complicated software or technical knowledge. Whether you need to convert, edit, or organize your documents, our tools are designed to work directly in your browser with just a few clicks. We believe that document tools should be simple, reliable, and available to anyone. That is why pdfwhy focuses on creating a clean and user-friendly experience so users can quickly complete their tasks and move on with their work. Our platform continues to grow as we add new features and improve performance to meet the needs of users around the world. We aim to make document handling more efficient while keeping the process straightforward and accessible. At pdfwhy, we are committed to providing practical tools that save time and make digital document management easier. If you have suggestions or questions, feel free to reach out through our contact page. We are a professional team dedicated to building amazing websites. Privacy of pdfwhy. By accessing or using pdfwhy online PDF tools, you agree to be bound by these terms of service. Welcome to pdfwhy. Your privacy is important to us. This privacy policy explains how we collect, use, and protect information when you use our website. Information we collect. When you use pdfwhy, we may collect limited information to improve our services. This may include basic browser information such as device type and browser version, pages visited on our website, anonymous usage statistics. We do not require user registration to use most of our tools. Uploaded files. pdfwhy allows users to upload files to process PDFs. Files are processed automatically by our system. We do not claim ownership of uploaded files. Uploaded files may be temporarily stored to complete the requested action. Files may be automatically deleted after processing. Users should avoid uploading sensitive or confidential documents. Cookies. pdfwhy may use cookies to improve the user experience. Cookies help us understand how visitors use the website and allow basic functionality. You can disable cookies through your browser settings. Third-party services. We may use trusted third-party services for analytics, advertising, or functionality. These services may collect limited information according to their own privacy policies. Data security. We take reasonable measures to protect user data and maintain the security of the website. However, no online service can guarantee absolute security. Changes to this policy. We may update this privacy policy from time to time. Changes will be posted on this page with the updated date. Contact. If you have questions about this privacy policy, you can contact us through the website. 2. Disclaimer for pdfwhy. The information and tools provided on pdfwhy are offered for general use only. While we aim to provide reliable and useful tools for working with PDF files, we do not guarantee that the services will always be error-free or uninterrupted. Users are responsible for verifying the accuracy of processed files and keeping backup copies of their documents. pdfwhy is not responsible for any loss of data, damages, or issues that may result from using the website or its services. All tools are provided as is, without warranties of any kind. External links that may appear on the website are provided for convenience only. We do not control or take responsibility for the content or policies of third-party websites. 3. About Us, pdfwhy. Welcome to pdfwhy, a platform designed to make working with PDF documents simple and accessible. Our goal is to provide easy-to-use online tools that help users manage, convert, and edit PDF files quickly without complicated software or downloads. pdfwhy focuses on creating a fast and user-friendly experience so that anyone can handle PDF tasks directly from their browser. We continue to improve our tools and add new features to make document management easier for everyone. Whether you need to convert files, modify documents, or perform quick PDF tasks, pdfwhy is built to help you get things done efficiently. If you want to contact us, we're here to help. Get in touch with us for any questions about our PDF tools. Contact us. Welcome to www.pdfwhy.com. Feel free to contact us at admin@pdfwhy.com. Also, you can follow us on social media options down. Again, you are welcome to get online free services at www.pdfwhy.com.